Welcome po dito sa ating segment, Your Question, My Answer portion. Sasagutin ulit natin ang katanungan ng ating mga subscribers. And this one is a special one, is an avid follower of us, si Lagan TV. Ang katanungan po niya, Attorney, may color coding po ba ang TCT? Kasi ang TCT ko sa Manila ay kulay blue. Pero ang TCT ko sa Bohol ay kulay green. Salamat po. Okay, Laagan. In Bisaya, ang Laagan po, lakwatsero po yan sa Tagalog. Ha? In the Philippines po, the color of land titles has evolved over time. It reflected changes no, in the documentation at saka yung security features. No? Ito po yung overview nyo na. So, ang historical progression po ng land title colors natin, nag-start yan sa red titles, no? Or they say orange title. No? Era niyan prior to 2016. Yung mga original certificate of titles, mga transfer certificate of titles, meron po siyang featured red borders. Typically, typewritten siya. Yan ang tawag na manual titles po. Hanggang ngayon, existing yan siya sa first issuance ng mga sa patent, ng DNR, even sa CLOA. No? Kasi po, this is an original certificate of title. Ito po kasing DNR, administrative agency na ito, meron po silang mga judicial forms. Ang judicial forms, yan po yung title itself. No? What they do is that the moment a patent is issued, type na sila. Bibigay doon sa registered owner. And i-entry po yan sa registry of deeds. So, ang OCT, orange or red border ang tawag niya. No? Red border. Ang loob niya orange. Dito ron, pag ma-transfer, saka siya pa mag-change ng color. Kaya lang, ang security features po nito, limited, no? And making them more susceptible to forgery. And yes, ang dami po. Kasi manually typewritten nga eh. Although ngayon, meron ng electric typewriter or probably ini-insert nila sa computer ang encoding. However, it can easily be forged kasi marami po na situation na mga titles na ganito, forged po dito sa Pilipinas. And I have experience filing cases on these forged titles po. Kaya nga, always ko sinasuggest, kasi sa due diligence po natin, pag may benta ng property, hindi lang po certified true copy ang hingin nyo. Sabi ko, pwede ba ipakita nyo sa ROD? Kasi sila po yung pinaka-best agency to determine whether or not the title is fake. Especially kapag yung red border or yung orange title. No? In fact, pag makita nila na fake yan, confiscate kagad nila yan. They will not give it back to you. O yun, marami na situations na ganyan. I think thrice or nangyari sa akin. After that, nagkaroon na po tinatawag ng blue titles or yung e-titles. Yan. During the implementation that began in 2016 no, with the Land Registration Authority. Computerization Initiative. Okay. Ang description po nito is that ang new titles po issued with blue borders contains now enhanced security features. Okay, maganda na ang security features. Bakit maganda ang security features? Kasi po, meron na siyang watermarks, meron na siyang barcodes, meron na siyang QR codes just to improve no the authenticity and to reduce fraud. Unlike doon sa red borders, orange title, medyo limited ang security features nito. Kaya susceptible to fraud and forgery. Now, sabi ni Laagan, bakit daw kanya is may green title? Yes po. That is a new format. This is a new color. But basically, this is still e-title po. No? Pinalitan lang po. No? Kung meron pong blue title, that's still valid. Yung green title, bago yan. Yan ang mga matatanggap na po natin na mga titulo, color green na siya. No? Lahat po yan mapapalitan. I'm going to inform you some key developments. No? In 2016, yung LRA initiated yung tinatawag na Land Titling Computerization Project. No? It transitioned from manual to electronic titles, e-titles nga, para ma-enhance ang security and efficiency ng titling. No? Yung security enhancements nito, ang e-titles introduced yung tinatawag nating watermarks, barcodes, QR codes. Kaya makita nyo sa baba, meron pong silang mga QR codes. No? And that is not just a marking QR code. So if they have the special tool, the RODK special tool may use in order to determine if it is legit or not, legitimate pa o hindi, no? Para yung verification process nila easier, barcode na. This is how to prevent forgery and streamline verification process. Mababa lang po ang chance po na ma-fake ito. But there was one incident that I experienced wherein talagang yung blue title was very, very much copied. Except that when it was presented to the ROD, doon na nagkakatalo sa barcode. Siguro pag-verify nila, hindi maglabas. Because of that security enhancement, meron po program po ang LRA, no? Pinasasabi po, no, mag-ship po tayo to blue titles or green, no, titles right now in easier for purposes of the security features, no? Kaya nga, ang sabi nila, mag-transition po daw tayo. Then landowners with older red bordered titles, yung orange one, are encouraged, no, to convert their e-titles to benefit, no, from these security features para maging color green siya. Kung ma-issue sa inyo blue, okay pa yan because it's still a judicial form. But actually, dito sa Davao City, ang issuances po green na. Green titles na po siya. So, that's it. No? If you want to check more on how to convert this, yung red border, orange title ninyo into the new format, the green one or the blue, the green one, then you can visit the website of the land registration. Or you can visit the site of lra.gov.ph. And mind you, may iba takot baka daw mawala because gaano daw katagal. Hindi naman kayo dapat matakot po. Kasi po, yung red bordered and orange title ninyo, ipapasok sa system yan. Short of saying na parang i-scan ba? I-digitize, ipapasok sa system para magkaroon po siya ng sarili niyang muka doon. And you will be given a new form, same technical description, different color na. It would be a green one, no? With the new format right now. Huwag na kayo matakot na baka mawala. Hindi po. In fact, you will be given a receipt. In fact, you'll given an acknowledgement receipt na tinanggap nila. And it will be given to you back, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks. Not more than 20 working days. Okay? So, yan po ang tandaan po natin. And I hope I have explained it to you again, your question. And that is my answer. So, see you again next time, guys. Dito po sa ating Your Question, My Answer portion. Sukran.